If you want to dub a YouTube video quickly and get a clean, professional result, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs to create a dub from your audio file. Adjust the speaker similarity for the style you want, choose one or more target languages, and generate the final dub with just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to ElevenLabs and open the dubbing tab. This is the section specifically built for translating and revoicing content, so you can turn one audio track into multiple language versions without starting from scratch. Once you're in the dubbing area, look for the option to upload your audio file. Click upload and choose the file you want to dub. For best results, make sure your audio is clear with minimal background noise because cleaner source audio usually leads to a better final dub. After your file is uploaded, the next important setting is speaker similarity. This control changes how closely the dubbed voice follows the original speaker. If you raise the similarity, the new voice will stay closer to the source voice and can preserve more of the original accent and the delivery. If you lower the similarity, the result may sound more natural in the target language, which can be useful when you want the dub to feel smoother and more localized. So if you want the new version to sound more like the original presenter, keep it higher. If you want a more natural translated performance, lower it a bit and test what sounds best for your content. Next, choose your target languages. One of the best parts of ElevenLabs dubbing is that you can select more than one language at the same time, which is great if you want to create several versions of the same video for different audiences. Take a moment to select the languages that match the viewers you want to reach. If you're building a global channel, this step can save you a huge amount of time because you can generate multiple dubs from one source file instead of repeating the whole process again and again. Once your audio is uploaded, your similarity is adjusted, and your languages are selected, you're ready for the final step. Press the black generate button to create the dub. ElevenLabs will process the audio and produce your translated version based on the settings you chose. Depending on the file length and the number of languages selected, it may take a little time, so be patient while it renders. After it's done, review the result, listen carefully, and make any adjustments if needed, and that's it. You now know how to dub a YouTube video using ElevenLabs. Just open the dubbing tab, upload your audio file, adjust speaker similarity, select one or more languages, and hit generate. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.